card. This is called Earth Magic, and it's by Stephen D. Farmer. The card that came out is Clouds, and it says Shapeshifting. It says, when tiny droplets of water or frozen crystals are surrounded by billions of other droplets or crystals, a cloud is formed. Each of these tiny droplets diffuse and scatter light so that the tops of the clouds are white, then fade to gray toward the base. The nature of cloud formation affects our mood, as well as the temperature on the ground and in the air. Their shape, movement, and coloration tell us what weather to expect in the near future, and they nourish our visual hunger during breathtaking sunrises and sunsets. Most of us have had an opportunity at one time or another to notice the shapes and forms clouds take as they drift gently or boldly across the sky, constantly shifting and changing, adjusting themselves to the requirements of their nature. When we take time to simply observe, we can see the cloud people, images that are an elegant collaboration between nature and our imagination. So that's what it says. Now, it does say here, in both subtle and more dramatic ways, you can shapeshift by your choice of clothing, hairstyles, adornments, and even mannerisms, such as facial expression, gestures, and way you walk. By adjusting these along with your internal attitude, you can actually display different personas. When you experiment with these variations or self-expression that are not, let me turn the page here, not how you ordinarily present yourself, others will react to you depending on the degree in which your persona contrasts with the one that are most familiar with. Be like the clouds as you try and different forms, stretching your limits at times, willing to move and adjust as necessary. Lift your head up, square your shoulders, and stand tall, such that your chest and heart open to the world, and note how this feels. You may feel vulnerable at first, but stay with it, then let your shoulders fall forward slightly. Pull your chest inward an inch or two and let your head drop a little. Observe how this feels. Experiment with contracting your aura, your energy field, then expand it as far as you comfortably can. Be this kind of shape-shifting. You can consciously choose your expression